what's about the multicellular organism? Can they reproduce with this method of binary fission or multiple fission, or some other type of method are needed over there? Actually, multicellular organisms are also of two types. Simpler multicellular organism and complex multicellular organism. Can you please give me the example for both? Can you please give me the example for simple multicellular organism and multiple multicellular organism? Simple multicellular organism are those in which cells are not organizing into a specialized tissue. The simple multicellular organism like what? Spirogyte. This is a filament-like structure. A filament having a number of cells. If it splits into two, these are called segment and fragmentation occur. So, simple multicellular organism can also reproduce asexually by fragmentation. But this is not true for all type of the multicellular organism. For all multicellular organism, they can't reproduce by fragmentation. They cannot simply divide cell by cell. The reason is that. What is the reason behind that? Why they cannot divide cell by cell? Because many multicellular organisms are not simply a random collection of the cell. If the multicellular organism is the random collection of the cell, it can divide from any plane by fragmentation. But others are not the random collection of the cell because they are organized. The cells and tissues are organized into organs. So they cannot divide simply. Is that clear? In these organisms, specialized cell form tissue, organized as tissue. And these tissues are organized in organs. So how each and every cell of an organ will divide to produce new individual, it is a big problem there. So what happen in such type of organism? What happen? What type this actually these multicellular organisms which have somewhat complex structure need to use some more pathway, some more complex ways of reproduction. What are those ways? That is what? Budding. Okay? Because first of all, there must be a probability of having such a type of cell which can form each type of cell, means having the power of reproduction. If any cell in that organism having some particular type of cell that is known as archaeocytes, which can produce any other type of the cell, then the reproduction may happen. Then they can produce new individual. In our case, we are having the stem cells. Are you getting me? Connecting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the answer is what? Means if the question is how is reproduction to be achieved from a single cell type, if the organism itself consists of many cell types. Suppose there is an organism consisting of many types of the cell, then how the reproduction will take place in those type of the organism? The answer is that. What is the answer? There must be a single cell, like our stem cell. There must be a single cell type in that organism that is capable of growing, capable of proliferating, and capable of making other type of cell under the right circumstances, under the favorable circumstances. If in the multicellular organism, if there is any particular type of the cell that is under favorable condition, can produce, can proliferate, can form new cell, then this type of the multicellular organism can reproduce. Okay? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.